Pasta has come such a long way, from the simple plates I grew up eating to the creamy Alfredo pasta that became famous in Rome over 100 years ago. And today I'm making my own version, just with a little twist. This is an amazing recipe that is worth trying over and over again. These are the ingredients I used. It's nothing complicated, but with the added spices it feels more alive and flavorful. I started off by prepping my chicken and marinating it, especially because this is chicken breast. You want your chicken to taste as good as the Alfredo pasta, so go in with your spices. For more ingredients that I used, you can check the spices in the description box, and you can definitely add any spice of your choice. Freshly grated cheese makes all the difference. This is the famous Parmesan cheese that's very creamy and tastes way better than any other cheese. I fried the chicken until golden brown on the outside. That sear builds the base for the whole dish. Next up, I boiled my pasta in salted water for about 10 minutes until it was just right. Here's where I add my little twist, just a few spices to lift the flavor. I twirl the pasta onto the plate so it sits heavily in the center. And there you have it, the only creamy Alfredo pasta that you'll be needing this season. It is so comforting and easy to make at home. Let me know if you'll be trying this version. Bye!